welcome to Malaysia's Petronas Twin Tower. Ito yung Petronas Tower at night with that lights. Nakapag-picture and video na kami dito sa baba. Napapagod na ako guys, but we're almost there. Alright guys, it's 6 PM and we're out. Ngayon lang kami lumabas kasi sobrang init talaga kanina. So nag-book lang kami ng Grab. We're going to Petronas Tower. Ayan, so papunta ng Petronas Tower tayo, no? Petronas Tower kami first. We'll go on like a street food daw dito sa Malaysia. Kasi sabi ni Ariel, yung street food dito is masaya daw at mahaba na line. And then masaya daw yung streets dito pag sa night market. So yun. From the hotel going to Petronas Tower, how much? 10. That's 10 ringgit. Actually, mura lang din yung Grab dito. Yan. So far guys, okay pa naman yung gamit natin na nag-backpack lang like 7 kilos. So hindi pa naman tayo nag-ulit ng damit so far. Alright guys, here we are. Welcome to Malaysia's Petronas Twin Tower. Ang daming tao pala dito guys. From the photo area doon kasi para to have a good shot ng tower, kailangan ka medyo malayo. And as you can see, doon sa bandang dulo doon ang daming tao. Ayan guys, so dahil na kami mag-picture and video. Nagantay na lang kami na medyo dumilim para makita namin yung lights. Kasi iba din yung look pag naka-light siya pag dumilim. Kanya-kanyang diskarte yung mga tao dito guys mag-picture. Kasi for me, parang sobrang lapit lang. Ang hirap niyang hanapan ng magandang angle, especially if you're like using a phone lang. Tapos pag 0.5, sobrang distorted at sobrang parang stretched yung paa ko. Yeah. I think kung medyo malayo siguro kaso marami ng ito lang yung open area na malapit siya eh. Ayan, nasa ano na tayo guys, sa loob ng tower. And then mall daw tong sa loob mismo ng Petronas Twin Towers. Ayan. So this is a shopping mall inside. Actually, pretty much similar to the Taipei 101. Kasi sa baba nun, luxury shopping at saka merong food court. Meron ding food court dito Since sa Taipei 101, meron din.
It's just a big square.
So very similar siya sa Taipei 101. Pero hindi na kami aakyat doon sa taas guys, yung view deck ng yung Petronas Twin Tower, hindi na kami aakyat doon. So mag-iikot na lang muna kami dito sa mall, netong mall mismo. Actually luxury shopping din siya eh. Marami mga luxury brands. After namin tinawid yung sa loob mismo ng tower, like we went straight lang. Ito yung sa kabilang dulo ng tower. Meron siyang parang lake. Pond or lake. Ano bang tawag dyan? It's actually 7 PM guys ha, pero tingnan nyo, ang liwanag pa din. para siyang ano to, parang medyo yellowish na yung tone ng lighting. 7 p.m. Ang ganda ng lake dito, guys. Ang dami din nagtatambay dito. First, this is Symphony Lake pala, sabi ni Ariel. This answers my question pa earlier. Kaya pala walang picture sa other side kasi meron na palang nakaharang na ganito, no? It does not show the entire tower from foot to top. Actually, ang chill nito, no? Artificial lake to, no? Symphony, merong dito, merong parang fountain show.
When it's good. KLCC Symphony Lake.
KLCC Symphony of Lake. Symphony of Lake?
KLCC Symphony of Lake.
Symphony. Yeah, Symphony Lake. KLCC Symphony Lake. I think ito yung reason why nag-aabang yung mga tao dito. Umambon kanina pero nag-stop na din. So nag-snacks lang kami na parang empanada. Chicken curry empanada. Iba yung iba yung tawag. Ito yung Petronas Tower at night with that lights. Ang ganda ng lighting niya, ang linis. Shit, ang bango. Parang may nag-grill dun, sobrang bango. Ayan. Petronas Tower. Dami pa rin tao dito, guys. Pero nagugutom na ako. Excited na ako dun sa night market. But hopefully hindi umulan, no? Kasi sobrang kapal pa din ng night clouds. Chu. Aray. Busy pa rin kaka-picture, guys. But we got the shot. Meron na kaming picture na satisfied kami both. Mas better for me yung picture ng gabi, no? What do you think, no? Mas better yung picture ng gabi kasi ang ganda ng lighting ng building. Pag sa umaga kasi parang ang dami niyang hindi na-highlight masyado yung building. Guys, so pupunta na kami sa night market kasi nagugutom na rin kami. So mag-grab pa din tayo, no? Are we going back to the hotel or no? We're going. Let's go! Ayan, guys, kakarating lang natin dito sa Jalan Alor. Medyo traffic yung papunta dito, but ang galing ng Grab driver namin yung pasikot-sikot. Sobrang alam niya. We paid like 13 ringgit. And ang sobrang vibrant, guys. I'm excited. I am excited. Good morning, people! Charot. Good morning, guys. Another day here in Malaysia, and today we are full packed. We have a full packed itinerary. So DIY pa din to. Sobrang late na namin nagising. Sobrang late na namin nagising kasi last night we were deciding if magpa-party ba, but sobrang pagod na namin. So umuwi na kami sa hotel like around 10, and then nakatulog na ako by 12. Dapat nagising kami by 6 para to leave 7 a.m. Kaso 8 a.m. na ako nagising. Actually nagising ako noong 6, pero natulog ako ulit, so 8 a.m. na. So right now it's 9:20 a.m. We're going to Batu Caves, Genting Highlands, Genting Highlands, no? Genting Highlands. So pupuntahan namin yon. Medyo malayo yung Genting Highlands. Sasakay kami doon sa cable car. Quick outfit natin, all white lang. Tapos shoes. Ayan. That's our clean look today. So tara. And guys, so it's 9:45. Magbe-breakfast muna kami before going to Batu Caves. Mag-grab lang tayo, no? Going to Batu Caves. Hindi naman ganun kalayo from here. So we'll grab breakfast lang. Medyo light breakfast lang kasi sabi ni Ariel walang makakainan if nandun na kami. Let's see kung anong meron dito sa restaurant and cafe. Check lang natin. Ah. Marami ano dito, no? Kunang Indian cuisine, no? Like most of the restaurants na nakikita namin sa palibot, guys, are parang majority ay Indian cuisine. Yung iba is close pa. It's actually Sunday man good, no? The Batu Cave is open by Sunday, eh? Every day pala.
See ya.
Okay. Order ni Ayi, guys. Parang hindi na in-effortan ng presentation kasi di ba yung sa picture is parang siyang rice na ni-wrap sa egg tapos may chicken dito. Parang nilapat na lang yung egg sa top. Pero same thing lang naman yan. Ang importante yung lasa, not really the presentation. Pero ang bango niya, ano? Bango na. Ito masarap yan. Nagulat kami at first, nasan yung chicken? Pati pala yung chicken nasa gilid lang tapos baka binagsak na lang yung egg sa top.
So the expectation versus reality are okay.
Here's my order, guys. Ano ulit yung order ko? Nasi goreng. Basta may parang ganun yung mga ano. Or may goreng? May goreng ata. Yung may goreng, hindi nasi goreng. May goreng pala to sa akin. May goreng. Chuchu. Ayan.
Ito good.
Tara, let's eat. So guys, mag-grab na lang kami. We're so surprised na sobrang mura ng Grab. Like although yes, it's like 20 to 30 minutes na ride lang sa Grab. But it's like 16 kilometers. Hopefully yun lang talaga yung price, so baka mamaya confused na naman.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning to Batu Cave.
Okay.
Sobrang mura na, like it's like 200 pesos lang. Tapos divide namin 100 pesos for that. Siguro walang traffic kaya mura. This is a good call to book a Grab instead of like commute ng train or MRT. It's like 13 kilometers, 13 to 14 kilometers. Pero dahil walang traffic, we arrived like 20 minutes. And we paid 20 ringgit kasi malayo-layo din yun eh. So, binigyan na namin, nagpin lang kami na extra 3 ringgit. What is 3 ringgit lang? So, sulit naman. So, we're here. We were warned by the driver na be careful of the monkeys because they like to grab things and they like to smash cameras. I did not know na meron palang monkeys here, so I can see it from here na meron ng mga monkeys. So just be careful with your things, especially if you have something that they can easily grab on. And then they like to smash cameras now, so I'm wondering why. So the Batu Cave pala, its main attraction is the large statue of the Hindu god at the entrance beside a steep 272 climb up its steps to finally view the stunning skyline of the city. So it's Hindu pala. Hinduism. So yan. So merong hagdanan dyan na 272 steps. So aakyatin natin yan papunta mismo dun sa cave. Guys, nakapag-picture and video na kami dito sa baba. Ang ganda, actually perfect yung white, clean outfit or OTD dito. Especially kung naka-white ka. Ang ganda niya, contrast sa green na background. Kahit yung pictures, maganda yung pag nakaputi ka. Ayan. Kasi parang nagsa-stand out ka in contrast with the rest of the colors here. So akyatin natin yung steps, guys. 270 something steps. Let's go. So this This is a Hindu god. I'm almost halfway, guys. Pero hinihingal ako. Napapagod na ako, guys, but we're almost there. Kaya sabi nila, guys, travel while you're young. Pwede ka naman mag-travel kahit ano na, kasi hindi mo na ito magagawa. Ang init. Pinagpapawisan ako. Pahinga muna tayo dito. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung view. Sobrang taas na natin. Yung kinakatakutan ko lang talaga is yung mga bato dyan sa taas na yun, oh. Sobrang tulis ng mga bato. Parang yung stalactites at stalagmites ba yan? Ano ba yung nasa taas? Stalactites? Ayun na si Ariel. Oh. Tara, huwag tayo magtambay dito.
Hirap pag walang exercise.
Baka may mga bato. May mga bato sa taas. Come. We made it, guys, here to the top. Oh, ang lamig na ng hangin dito. Ang sarap ng lamig dito sa taas. Wow. May mga tubig na tumutulo, guys. Akalain mo lang na poop siya. Pero di naman. Hopefully hindi. So papasok pa tayo papunta doon. So ganito yung nasa loob ng Batu Cave, guys. Wow, ang laki pala. Tapos meron pang dediretsyong aakyatin doon. Gano'n kaya ito kalaki? Pero sobrang high ceiling. Yan. Grabe yung pagka-preserve ng area. I can imagine yung mga tao dito na umaakyat like long before para mag-worship or para mag-pray. Ayan. So ito yung main temple sa loob ng cave. It's the Sri Vilayuthar Temple. It's the main temple. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But the same as the rest of the temples that we visited before, bawal magsuot ng shoes. So you have to remove your shoes before you enter the temple. Ang ganda ng details, no, ng temple. Tapos, if this is the main temple, I'm not sure if meron din temple dun sa loob. But we will try to go there. It's getting hot inside. Walang hangin sa loob. Wala ding lamig. So wear something that's comfortable at the same time that's decent. Bawal yung for girls, especially yung mga mini shorts and skirts. Although you can rent like pang takip sa baba. For males naman or boys, pwede namang naka-short. Pero hopefully hindi yung short shorts. Pwede namang naka-short for boys. Yung girls lang talaga kailangan magtakip. And I think bawal din yung sleeveless na tops. Wala din ako nakikita naka-sleeveless na tops, but especially for girls. So yun guys, nakababa na kami. We're done here. Actually, marami palang makakainan dito. So in case gusto nyong pumunta dito and then like by lunchtime, which I think probably mainit. Ngayon kasi makulimlim pero sobrang mainit sa, alam mo yung pagpapawisan ka, yung parang makulimlim na parang paulan, yung ganun yung init. So gusto nyo mag-lunch dito, meron namang restaurant doon sa harap mismo ng Bato Cave. Tsaka may parking area din dito. So kung merong Bato Cave doon guys, meron din pala itong Ramayana Cave. So sabi dito, mayroong ticket counter, so meron tong bayad. 8 AM to 9 PM daily yung operating hour. Oh, maraming cave no, yung buong mountain na to is cave pala siya sa ilalim. Merong Sri Kailash Cave, Sri Kailash Cave, Chakra Cave, Therapy Cave, Mars Cave. Curious ako sa Mars Cave. And ba't hindi na kami pupunta dyan? And so we found our Grab guys. So time check, it's 12:55. And let's see if we can get there like 40 minutes or even lesser. Okay lang yung Grab, especially pag sharing kayo. And in fact, siguro pag 3 or 4 kayo, mas makakatipid kayo, no? If you're traveling group and Grab. Kasi marami kayong magde-divide.
Yung pinaka-recommended talaga na itinerary from here, Bato Caves, is Grab ka talaga. Kung pwede mag-pass.
Pero I think meron namang mga tours, like private tours na ino-offer. I'll check if ever meron sa Klook na mga tours or join-in tour. If ever man, isasama ko siya dito and use my promo code MJS Klook para maka-discount ka. Yeah, so time check, it's 1:35. So I think 40 minutes talaga siya. I think hindi pa nag 40 minutes or 40 minutes na since we left the Bato Cave. So we arrived here sa Awana Skyway. This is the starting point of the cable car that will bring us to the Genting Highlands. Andito tayo ngayon sa Awana Skyway and it turned out na meron pala siyang closure, 12-day period na closure from May 13 to 24. So hindi namin alam, hindi kami na-informed. So today is 18. Actually today is 18. So ayan. So hindi kami makaakyat or hindi tayo makakasakay ng cable car. Pero meron sabi to, during this period please Genting Skyway. So Genting Skyway, we're hoping na baka may dalawang skyway, itong Awana at saka yung Genting Skyway. So if ever man yung Genting Skyway is available, makapag-cable car pa rin tayo. Ang daming hindi na-expect guys na wala yung Awana. Maraming papunta doon at saka marami ding nagulat. So in things like this, we can share it sa namin sa group, sa Singapore Malaysia group, sa Facebook page. Sa mga updates, you can follow or join that group sa Facebook. Join lang kayo para ma-update kayo sa mga travel tips, guide, and updates. Marami din yung community na yun, maraming information na nasi-share na makatulong sa travel planning nyo. So join nyo yung group. Ilagay ko din yung link sa description box. Dito kami guys sa Mary Brown, para siyang local brand na fast food siguro nila, no? Baka parang yung counterpart ng McDo at Jollibee. I'm not sure if Malaysian to, pero probably. Mary Brown, this is the first time na narinig ko yung Mary Brown. So dito kami kakain ngayon. So guys, cashless lang sila dyan sa Mary Brown. So I paid using my GCash Visa card. Nag-work naman siya. So yung total order namin ni Ariel is 44 ringgit. My order was 21 ringgit at saka yung sa kanya is 23 ringgit. We ordered like yung combo meal. So ito yung order ko guys. It's nasi lemak ba yun? Nasi lemak. Yeah, nasi lemak. Mary Brown combo at saka yung Ariel double chicken delight combo. For drinks, I had lemon tea and then Minute Maid Ariel na juice. So it turned out na hindi pala dito yung Genting Skyway, yung Genting, Genting. So meron palang dalawang Skyway dito, yung Awana Skyway tsaka yung Genting or Genting Skyway. Yung Awana is still under maintenance until ilang days ba yun? 12 days. So yung alternative is yung Genting Skyway. So it's 10 minutes from here, 10 minutes na ride. So we're trying to book another Grab. Hopefully merong Grab kasi medyo malayo to. I'm not sure if merong makakapag-pick up or merong Grab driver within the area. So we're here guys sa Genting Skyway. And hindi naman masyadong matagal na biyahe. So, yun, pro tip, Grab, wag yung taxi. And then, ayan, let's go. So, self-service ticketing na lang to guys, and then cashless kiosk. So, we are going to try to pay via GCash. One way. So we are about to board the cable car na guys. We're on the cable car na guys. Medyo luma na yung cable car nila. Cable car. Yes, biglang nag-stop kami sa gitna. Pagka-stop, lahat kami nagulat. Yeah.
I think the same people will not.
Baka may, no? Parang ano to, parang ride sa mga amusement park. Made it on top guys. Gabi, sobrang haba ng ano. It's probably one of the most thrilling cable car rides na experience ko. Thrilling in a sense na sobrang taas niya at the same time. Grabe yung fog. Hindi siya similar dun sa sa Taiwan kasi aakyat, bababa, then straight, then bababa, aakyat, ganon. Dito kasi puro siya paakyat. And then wala kang idea saan ka papunta. Tapos bigla siya nagsa-sudden stop sa gitna. I think because if yung mga stations merong niloload or unload na maraming gamit, nagpo-pause yung cable car. Grabe yung intense, thrilling experience, but I should say kailangan mo ma-experience. Ang daming tao dito guys. Para siyang city, sky city. Para kami umakyat sa clouds. We'll show you around kung anong meron dito sa Highlands, Genting Highlands. And literal na high talaga siya. Sobrang taas. Kaya sobrang kapal ng fog ngayon. At umuulan ngayon outside. So we're going to Skytropolis indoor theme. Meron kasing outdoor. And hindi natin yan ma-feature ngayon kasi maulan, super foggy. So sa Skytropolis indoor theme park tayo ngayon. Sarap ito tingnan. Babalik guys. Pero sarap siya, 50 ringgit for 12 pieces na gano'ng kaliit. Finally, nakita na namin yung Skytropolis guys. Medyo mahinap yung i-navigate yung entire place guys kasi medyo confusing yung mga instructions. Pero tanong lang kayo ng tanong sa mga security dito at mga staff. Busy yung vlogger. Wow! Wow! Wow!
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on.
Tapos na tayo dun sa Sky Metropolis. Sky Metropolis ba? What? Sky Metropolis guys. So we're now looking for the bus terminal dito sa Genting Highlands. Kasi magbabas na lang kami pa uwi papunta dun sa Kuala Lumpur. Para ma-experience din natin ano yung view sa bus and magkano yung bus if ever meron sa inyo gustong mag-bus. Okay guys, nahanap na namin yung terminal bus pero walang bus. Kaya so, yung mga ticketing dito, walang tao. Merong isang counter na open pero yung nakikita namin dito is Singapore to Genting Highlands. So tinanong namin saan kami makakabili ng tickets for Kuala Lumpur. Sa 4th floor pa daw. Oh no! Baka mabutan tayo na mag-close yung cable car. Wala tayong masakyan. Guys, update guys. Unfortunately, wala palang bus dito. There's only one bus terminal here and there's no bus coming from here na papuntang Kuala Lumpur. So it means yung mga bus na nakita namin kanina, yun yung mga bus from and going to Singapore. Mga direct bus. So kailangan namin sumakay ulit ng cable car. Nakita namin yung actually yung Asawa? Is it a cable car? Azawa? Yeah. Murag kabuangon ako kapila taning.
So, dili ta kanide sa Genting Square World because this is the theme park. We have to go to
I know, but the reason why we have to go here kaya para makabalo ta mo adto rata. Kaya diri kitoy tuyo pa mo dara sa duha. O na mura na ko mabuang ikapila na tagaagi diri.
But do you know, dili na lang kata. Do you
No,
still
straight.
remember?
Do not go there.
Do you still remember that, no?
Ha?
Di ba dito to ni
Tara, try ta.
Balik na lang ito gagiyan.
Mura naman tayo gimino oy. Dili ba kata na Encanto sa Genting Highlands?
You have to remove your clothes and
Yes, feel namin no na Encanto kami. I think this is not a real world. But as a Spirited Away baka there's no going out. No way. We'll try to figure our way. We'll try to figure out our way out now, ha? Update you later. Ha? Kung makita pa kung Skypolis again, no? Di na ko. Huwag mo na siya kung wala na, di na tagaulit. So, go time also work, guys. So again, this is the Express for 17 ringgit. So we're going on Express kasi sobrang haba ng pila if you can check. I mean, tingnan nyo. You expect guys na sobrang haba talaga ng pila dito sa cable car because it's the only mode of transportation going back to Kuala Lumpur. So can you imagine all those people trying to ride that cable car? Thank you. Okay, we made it. Ang ganda pala pag walang fog. 6:08. So let's see if what time darating, including those like sudden stops. We made it down guys to Genting Gotong Jaya. So here's the bus terminal, level 4 basement 4 bus terminal bus. Kaso wala mga counters dito for tickets, but you need to purchase online. Nagko-consider na lang kami ng taxi if ever. So yung taxi na in-offer is 105 ringgit.
My car number 6351.
So that's 1,365 guys. So anyway, malayo din naman kasi siya. Siya man din driver eh. So 105 ringgit, which is fair naman kasi sobrang layo din talaga going back to Kuala Lumpur from here. The bus should have been an option kaso we wanna maximize our time. The stops sa bus is sobrang dami, and then it can take like 2 hours and then maybe more than 2 hours including the traffic. Magkano yung sa Grab? So sa Grab aabot siya ng 98 ringgit. So konti lang naman yung difference. Ayaw namin magtipid. Actually, uwing-uwi na din kami guys kasi kanina pa kami na naligaw-ligaw din. So uwing-uwi na kami back sa hotel kasi gusto pa namin mag-relax doon, mag-pool. So yun, that's why. So we'll see you once we get back to the hotel.